We often hear from people saying, I'm not able to focus. I'm not able to concentrate. This we hear quite often from students, sportsmen, artists. I'm sure you must have also sometime in your life not able to focus or concentrate. Focus or concentration is very important for a student, for an executive, for a housewife, for that matter, for anyone who wants to get the desired results in life. Focus will bring the results much faster. People face two types of focus. Number one, scattered focus. Number two, desired focus. Let's discuss these in detail. Number one, scattered focus. What exactly is scattered focus? In scattered focus, people do multiple tasks. That is, trying to do many things at the same time. For example, a student reading a book, listening to music, watching a video on YouTube, talking to a friend on phone, or other student reading a book and thinking about his girlfriend at the same time. And this is what most people do. They divide their attention towards many different things. Now let's see what happens to your brain when you do multitasking. You are putting a lot of load on your brain when you do multitasking. When you try to do many things at the same time. Your brain can't switch between multiple things at once. You can't switch off one task and switch on another in the brain. Your brain can't take the load and reload content over and over. Hence, you waste a ton of mental energy without getting much done. Now let's study direct focus. Here you are directing your complete attention to a single action while ignoring everything else. This is what you should aim to achieve, and it is how high achievers direct their focus. They concentrate on one thing at a time like a laser beam. Let's see how to avoid scattered focus. It is simple. You should aim to remove all distractions and avoid any stimuli which could potentially harm your concentration. Have 100% focus and concentration on the job or study you are doing. Even if someone calls you for a second, your focus is disturbed for an hour and your attention is divided. Your mobile phone is the biggest anti-focus machine. It rings, it vibrates, or a new notification sound will spoil your focus, thus dividing your attention. So, when you want to have 100% focus, concentration, put away your mobile phone. Another important thing to improve your focus or concentration is sound sleep of minimum 8 hours to focus during the day. Exercise also improves our focus or concentration. It should be done on daily basis. Thanks to the release of dopamine, serotonin and other neurotransmitters, your ability to focus on difficult tasks improves. So don't forget to go for a morning walk in the nature. I'm 100% sure your concentration level or focus will improve. The next thing that helps you to improve your focus or concentration level is hydration. That's very important. Hydrate your body. We know that our brain is 90% water. Your diet also plays a very important role or a big role in your performance to improve your concentration and focus. If you're indulging in stuffing and indulging in eating all kinds of junk food and unhealthy food or drinking soda, you're doing a big harm to your brain. You're doing your brain a disservice. Your brain definitely won't accept it. You'll spoil your focus or concentration level. Food that is high in sugar content leads to brain fog and the inability to concentrate. So, if you want to focus easier, make sure to take care of your body and diet. Concentration is a skill. You can actually train your focus like you train for a sport. The more you do it, the better you get it. It's always better to train your mind to concentrate early in the morning. So these are some of the principles or guidelines to help to increase your focus or concentration level. Exercise, that's very important. Hydration is equally important. And the diet, the food you take. Concentration, I told you at the end, is a skill. So the more you concentrate, the more you take it as a sport, the more you train, the better it will be for you to concentrate and focus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.